I was a little bit reluctant to put this video out. I realized when I went back and looked at the clips, there was times I really got very introspective. And I didn't think there would ever become a time where I felt comfortable sharing this type of content about myself, these parts of my thoughts. But I said, hey, it's kind of cathartic in a way. This is from a gym session late at night around Easter 2024. A lot of different thoughts, a lot of different emotions, a lot of different feelings, a lot of different ideas. There's a lot going on during this time. But nevertheless, nights like these make for the best workout experiences and just times to just think, just meditate, just process, and just find a way to grow.
This leg, I know you should complain about it, but it hurt way more than I expected it to tonight. Getting ready to get to this lift. I need to pee. I can't get the camera to focus, so we're gonna get some creative looking shots. Call it cinematic. It's gonna be blurry, but we're gonna call it cinematic. I want to get through this. Getting through this will symbolize getting through some rough patches of life that, just like tonight, I don't feel like I'm standing on 2 firm feet, 2 firm legs. To be able to get through it, know that mentally you're strong enough to do it. I think there's value in that. Of course, the other value would be me not hurting myself, but cross that bridge when we get there. Set number 1, let's go. My setup for the deadlift, I always try to get the bar close to my shins as possible. And I get a good firm grip in my heels, connection with my heels to the ground. Drop my butt low, feel the bar. And it's all about, as soon as I feel it come off the ground, pushing my hips forward. We're hitting down.
It's funny, when I have my best workouts at the gym, I'm either in a really great mood or a really terrible mood.
I'm going down tonight.
I don't know why it's such a drastic difference.
I shouldn't be having issues with focus this stage in the game. What is it? What is it? One of my...
I sit back, editing this video. I remember the headspace I was in on this night. I just hurt my calf playing basketball not too long before. And it really had me down. But I said, hey, go to the gym. One or two things could happen. Make it worse, or maybe, just maybe, you'll get stronger. Both mentally and physically.
Alright. After about 20 minutes of trying to figure out why I can't get in focus, and finally figured it out. Man, push through, man. Push through everything you do. Sometimes it's not gonna be easy. You gotta have difficult conversations. You gotta do difficult things. Gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go. Number 5, keep it live. Let's get it. I ain't turned the music back on. I've been doing this whole thing without no music. That's crazy. Yeah. Good form. One more. Like I'm dancing on one leg topic right now. Some people hate it, want to ban it. Some people are ruining it for everybody. Me, I like it, man. It's more natural when people walk through your shop, right? Hey, my gym, that's what it was, man. Listen to the word. Let's talk, let's five, let's community. Let's go. One more. I know what I want now. After being in a state of trying to figure things out and rebuild and reinvent and recover, I know what I want. And the tricky part is I don't know if I have the time to find it because it's rare. And do I still possess what it takes to have a healthy relationship with that type of woman? Do I have the energy to give to the workflow and my son and my family? I really need to implement good systems ASAP. That's what this weekend is going to be about for me. This Easter weekend is just trying to streamline the systems I need. There's always something coming up, whether it be work or I don't know, man. 1 minute is work, 1 minute is life, 1 minute is health or being sick. It's always something. So the quicker I can figure out these systems, I know it'll pay dividends. This guy, figure it out. Number 2 more, man. Let's go. You here now? Don't you do nothing stupid or hurt now. You better not hurt now. Let's go. Yeah. Let's set. Hey. Ashley, let's go. Let's go. Quality set right here. Quality set right here. Yeah. 1, 2. Come on. Bye. One more go. Stay tight, stay tight. You smoke, boy. I might pay for this in the morning, but I go to the doctor on Monday anyway, so whatever. I want to be better. I want to have this plain, simple days, man. I don't need any type of extra excitement. Just want to go to work, come home, man. have a meal, enjoy your evening family time routine, the occasional vacation with my family, with my lady, with the extended family, with friends. Call it a day, man. That's all I need at this point, man. I don't need no cowboy stuff. I don't need no stable a woman. Try to keep up with manage and board. No, thank you. My big age, I just want to have peace, good health, save money, with my little Jordan 1s and Jordan 11s. And that's it, man. Good workout. Try to go with some arms now. I'm a couple. I think I'm gonna do a couple of giant sets. Not even giant sets. I think I'm gonna run the. Should I do the giant sets? Yeah, I'm gonna do giant sets. What's giant sets? You probably wonder. Giant sets is when you do. For me, it's when I do the drop set. It's like you do 3 instead of 2 exercises. You do 3. It's heavyweight. It's like a lot of reps. That's what you do. If you're a giant, you gotta do big boy stuff. It's the work, man. Not a hard part. I'm racking it. What you reckon this week?
I never realized how many unnecessary noises, unnecessary sounds I make at the gym. Just in my own little world, man.
That's good.
I'm not dancing. And it gets me through, man. And I feel like there's some things that I do that are unique to me. And there's some things that I do that I've taken from others that I worked out with and it just stuck with me for some reason. I'm not explaining, man. When you go to the gym with like-minded people, it's just, you pick up on things and you feed off each other. The great thing about this gym is it really isn't crowded at all. It's very low-key. People stay to themselves. And it's 24 hours, so. I do plan to create more gym vlogs, and I do have a format and structure that I'm open to provide value to you guys who want to watch in different areas, especially areas that are current to the season and that'll help you maybe, achieve some goals. Because although I don't train people personally, maybe this is a way for me to get back to, in a sense, personal training. It's just helping people that want tips, want motivation, just want that support, that feedback. So that's what I look to be giving in my upcoming gym vlogs coming soon. Hey. I decided to make this video more than just a gym vlog too, so if you stay tuned, there's more to it than just me working out in my own world, in my zone. It's more just of a life vlog, a dad vlog, as the title says. But me and my son figuring it out day by day. 2 dudes.
Watch it.
Go fast, speed.
Being a dad, a single dad, is a challenge, man. I want to reiterate that. So today, why are my tables not being used? Why are the chairs on top of the table? I planned on sweeping, but of course the morning got away from me. Did not get a chance to sweep and mop, so we came home and we sat at the bar, man. Everything's on you as a single dad most times, you know. And as a content creator on top of that, just so much stuff to get done. But it has cool moments when you get cool things that you can get your kid, man. I love Sonic, so it's great getting this Sonic package. Sonic comic books. Decided to throw these clips in too. I had the privilege of taking my niece to a open house for the Clark Atlanta University incoming class. Open house, I guess you had it. I did not go to a HBCU, so this was quite an experience for me. I went to a HBHS. So I got my experience through that. But this was great to see, man. She was very excited, considering attending this school or other HBCUs in the fall. They did a great job getting the incoming freshmen very excited about what the campus has to offer, and it's making it really appealing to put the pressure on the parents to take out that checkbook. College is so expensive now. I could not believe. Big fan of marching band, so I had to get this footage for you guys. Clark Atlanta was on my short list of colleges. Just did not give me any financial aid back in the day. On this part of the video, I found a farmer's market near me that I had no idea this type of stuff existed. Fresh produce. It reminded me of back home in DC and just going to the wharf. Decided to take a late night drive and just clear my mind. I tell you, man, sometimes I get lost in deep thought, and it's like, what do you do? How can you be more productive? How can you be better? What did you miss today? What could have been done different? How do we win tomorrow? Just so many different thoughts, man. Who do I need to check on? I hope everybody feels loved. Thinking about my team at work, my friends back home. Family as always. Wishing I could do more, but we'll get there one day, man. If you made it to this part of the video, man, thank you. And I appreciate it, man. Till the next time, I am YoPJD. And that's going to be it for this. So, you guys be blessed. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. Come back and watch the next video.